video I want to show you how to create a Docker image when you have the entire project set up in your GitHub or a Bitbucket account. So initially you need to go to the Docker Hub and you need to start with create a new repository, and then you select whether it is a private or public repository, and then choose where the project is existing, whether it is on GitHub or whether it is on Bitbucket, and just click on connect to basically link the entire thing to the Docker Hub. Once you are done linking it, it will show you what are repositories which you have in your GitHub or Bitbucket, and then from then on you can just choose the particular repository and just give it a name for the entire repository and just choose on create. Before doing that, you can even set some build rules where it will automatically build if you have a Docker image set up in this particular manner. You can see some examples of the build rules right here. So once you're all set, you can just click on create and build. You can even add a description if you need. So once it is done, you can go to your builds tab and check your builds which are currently running on this particular project. To configure a particular build or to create a new build, you can basically click on configure builds and click on build rules, and then basically select the entire template. My Docker file is basically starting with a small d, so I'll change it to small d, and then I'll click on save and build. Now it should start the build process. As you can see in the graph, the build has started. You can see it's still pending right now. So after a couple of minutes, you can see this will be in progress and then it will be completed. You can even see the build logs at the bottom. So let's wait for a couple of minutes. So now it shows in progress. So once you are completed, and it will show you a success message, and you can see the entire logs below. So you're done now.